Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad and we're once again back with my Jeep Shadow Trooper. Some of the earlier Jeep JLs have a problem with the window defroster where it doesn't really defrost the entire windshield but only the center of the windshield. At the time of filming this video, the seasons are starting to change and things are starting to cool off and we're starting to get frost and freeze overnight, which causes problems when you're trying to get in the Jeep in the morning and drive off and you have ice in the windshield. It's very difficult to get it clear because it only defrosts the center of the windshield and doesn't get the sides, and it gets to be a real pain. Also, if you're driving in the wintertime and it's below freezing outside and it's raining or snowing, what's happening is only the center of the windshield defrosts and the outside start freezing back up, and then the windshield wipers won't work, and before you know it, you can't see out the windshield. So after doing lots of research, I found a quick 3D print that can actually solve that problem. It pops into the vents in the window defroster in the front, and it has directional, so it limits the air coming out in the middle, and it with the side ones, it directs the air to the side, so you get air across the entire windshield, not just in the front of the windshield. It only took about a half hour to print this. It's a pretty easy print. Doesn't weigh anything, and if you print one, it only costs you about 45 cents to print. If you have access to the 3D printer, you can print up your own thing. I'll leave the link to the STL file down below, but let me try to get it installed. It only takes a few seconds. So on the center of your windshield on the inside, you can see all the little vents. Don't mind the ducks. But you have these little vents here, and the problem is all the air comes out of the vents in the center and doesn't put any out to the sides, and you only defrost in the center of the windshield, and you can't defrost anything else. And while it is a pain in the butt, it also can become dangerous, like I mentioned earlier. If you're driving through winter weather, you only get the center of your windshield defrosted, and all you can do is see out the window here. You can't see out any other side. So we'll take our little 3D printed object here and we'll pop it right in. And now once you get it installed, it'll look like this. It just sits in the vent. It's easy to install and easy to take out. It just simply places inside the little square vents in the front. Now it's going to limit the air to the center and help direct the air on each side to make sure the air is evenly spread across the entire windshield. All right, so here's a little better view. You can see it a little better from the outside. It just fits right in the front and top of the little grate and the little vents there. And now it's going to help direct the air where it needs to go, so it's not all in one spot right in the center. This will help spread the love across the entire windshield. Now that it's installed inside the vent, we should be able to quickly defrost and evenly defrost our windshield. Make sure we don't have any frost or ice in the windshield. We should be able to quickly defrost it going forward. Well, I hope you found this video informative. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It does help the channel out quite a bit. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.